Welcome to Marketing Minute. I'm Judy Neild, your marketing director. Open houses are back, and if you're interested in doing an open house sometime in the near future, you're going to want to download the Legacy Open House mobile app. This is a great way to generate those leads at open houses, and all those leads track right back in to your Smart CRM KV Core account, provided by Legacy Real Estate. Here's how it works. The first step is to download the mobile apps. Go to Google Play or the App Store and download two Legacy Real Estate mobile apps. The first is the My Legacy Smart CRM app. This links to our KV Core account. The second is the Legacy Open House app. In the Legacy Open House app, once downloaded, log in using your KV Core login and password. Then type in the MLS number or the address of the open house you want to host. Ta-da! Once you enter the information, confirm that that's the property that you want to showcase. Do you want to require a phone number? If so, toggle the phone number option to on. You can also toggle on the question if they're working with a real estate agent and where they heard about the open house. On the next screen, you can highlight whether or not you want to promote the listing price, bedrooms and bathrooms, and square footage, but then you're done. So use the toggles to highlight which ones you want to feature and then click Next. The cool thing about this mobile app is that you can sort them by group. Whether you put them in a generic open house lead bucket or you create a hashtag, also known as a group, for this specific property that you're holding open is up to you. Click Add Hashtag. Then you'll notice that the Add Hashtag Open House appears right underneath. When you're ready to launch, click Preview and Launch on this previous screen and select a 4-digit code that you want to confirm. It could be anything. Now this mobile app can be used to generate leads at your open house. You can use a tablet or your phone whenever people are coming in all ready to attend your event. This is the screen that they'll see. It's a welcome sign-in screen. They'll log in with their name and email address and the questions that you confirmed on the original sign-in form, and get a nice, "Hey, enjoy your visit, thank you" message. In the behind the scenes of your KV Core account, any lead that has been entered in your open house mobile app will automatically funnel into your Smart CRM. And when you click on the contact record, it expands for more options. Like, you'll be able to add additional details, perhaps a note, and call them using the auto dialer. If you were to click this, it opens up a dialog screen for you to call them right on the spot from your phone. But wait, there's more. You can even send a text message or add an additional note that says, hey, you contacted them, or they're not home, or you left a number, or it's a bad phone number. And that's how cool it is when you reach out to your clients in this full circle program. For more information on this or other Legacy programs, click the Learning Portal link in Support and Training or visit legacylearncenter.com.